It's beautiful. I know you like it.
Oh my God, there's coffee in the house.
Okay.
My birthday is
Let's check out the place. You like the place?
Spacious, very spacious.
Look up here.
Let's see the room here. Oh my God, beautiful. Come see the TV. Beautiful. Clean too. And it's all free. It's beautiful. Oh my God, look at the washroom.
Spacious.
Wash and dry. They have wash and dry.
In here?
Yes. Look, they have wash and dry here.
Oh, so beautiful, eh, Devika?
I should have walked with
Oh, wash clothes.
if you know, if you go pool.
Oh, okay.
Look how nice.
Yeah.
So nice. Oh my God.
I love that.
Where was that?
Let's go see the room. Let's see the room. Let's see the room. Room is so nice. TV too. Is that the washroom, babe?
Oh yeah, it's really nice. Now we put out.
Let's see this room. Oh my God, Amy. So beautiful. Look how nice they make the bed. You like it? Daddy like it? You like it, babe? It's so beautiful. Ah, ah.
Did you see your room?
It's so beautiful.
It's so pretty. The room.
You guys moving. Oh, let's see. Oh my God. That's big. The fruit stack up too. Look.
Shandy.
Dal puri too.
No, that's roti. Guacamole and pasta and shrimp curry with edo.
Oh my. We're home. Think the balcony.
I got the edo.
Eh?